na guys, oh. Ito na guys. Meron tayong lagayan, oh. May bilog na ice cream. Kasi lalagyan natin ng yellow. Gatas. Ito na itong Skyflex. Ito na guys, oh. Hawa ka buo. Ito nga na ito. Gatas.
As he goes again. Suarez. Fleming against the ropes. Jamming it up with in control. They get that done. Suarez throws the ball shot there. Left hand again from Fleming. Needs.
Tapos itong ano.
Suarez who is
Iba.
the body as well and chasing now. Fleming hangs on quickly. Suarez.
Halo. Yan guys, may gatas na. Kulang na lang ng yellow. Meron na itong ibap at saka condense. Ito guys, yellow natin. Oh. Para malamig. Yung ating avocado. Ito na yung finished product nating avocado with Skyflex. Na may yellow guys. Thank you for watching. God bless everyone. Bye bye.